Hey everybody, today I'm here with a unboxing and product review of the LETWESAF radar alarm system, and we are going to test that out today, and I'm going to let you know how it all works. So let's get started. Alright, let's unbox this thing. So go ahead and open it up. And just for the record, I did open this up already so that I could charge up the units. But here's what comes in with your wireless alarm system. Alright, so we've opened it up and here's the manual that comes with it. And here are the two units. And we got the QR code. And inside this box we have, so we got the charging cable. And we have the screws and stuff if you would like to mount this to something. So this just screws right into this thing just like this. If you want to mount this onto something permanently, that's how you would do it. And after you screw it in, just like that, and then you can mount it anywhere you need to mount it. So you're probably wondering, how does this system work? What is radar? So radar stands for radio detection and ranging. It's a technology that emits radio waves and listens for their echo after they bounce off objects. By measuring how long the radio waves take to return, radar can calculate object distance, present and motion change, direction and speed in some systems. Because radar uses radio waves, not visible light, it can remain effective when snow, ice, fog, or darkness would blind ordinary cameras. The system doesn't depend on image contrast or lighting. It depends on signal reflection. Low power radar keeps working when grid power fails, thanks to the radar's efficient detection design and backup power support. These traits make radar a strong choice for driveway, yard, and perimeter detection, especially under extreme weather. Powered by an advanced 24 GHz millimeter wave radar, LETWESAF detects real movement, not heat, reducing false alarms for wind, sunlight, and foliage. Works reliably through tents, bushes, and obstacles, even in total darkness. Receive alerts from up to a half a mile away, giving you time to react, prepare, or stay clear. Stay aware of approaching people, vehicles, or wildlife at all times. The LETWESAF also has a custom detection zone. Set a true 3D detection area with tracking speeds up to 75 miles an hour. Flexible coverage for campsites, RVs, homes, and more, so you detect those threats early. Compact, easy to carry, and quick to set up anywhere. It has a built-in battery that lasts up to 48 hours and supports solar charging for extended use. With the LETWESAF system, you can connect up to 6 sensors for 360-degree protection. Scale your setup as needed and eliminate blind spots. Now that we've gone over some of the product information, let's get this all set up, shall we? So now that I've gone ahead and taken these out of the box, I've already went ahead and paired them up. It's a pretty simple process. The manual will tell you how to set it up, and I was able to set it up with ease. So first we're going to go ahead and turn this one on, which is the power buttons on the side. It's not this one right here. You just hold it until the blue lights start blinking. And then you're going to turn this one on and hold it, and that'll go blue. And since I've already paired these up, they're already in active motion. So let's go set this up so we can test it out. And over here is where I would have my camp set up. So we're going to want to set it up one of these trees here that faces outwards. So if anybody comes into my camp, I'm going to know it. Okay, for testing purposes, we're going to use this tree right here. And since the product doesn't come with a lanyard strap, I actually do have one, so we're going to use that. Now all I have to do is just put this to the tree, and we'll test it out. All right, we have our LETWESAF alarm detector set up. and we are going to now test it out. All right, with our detector set up on a tree, we have our receiver here, and we're going to set the detection range. So first you're going to hit the button for the detector that you want to adjust. Now that it's flashing, then you press the probe set. And now that they're flashing, you press it again. And now it's been adjusted. So we're going to start walking towards the detector, and you will hear when it goes off. Now that we've tested out the LETWESAF radar detection system and saw that it does work, not only are you getting a security system, but you're also getting a peace of mind. And when you go out into the middle of the forest like I do, you definitely want to have some sort of alert system. If you would like to get your own LETWESAF radar detection system, there's a link in the comment section below. Use this coupon code and you can save even a little bit more money on this product. I look forward to using my LETWESAF radar detection system when I go out into the woods so that hopefully I don't become a bear snack.